Lexa, Lexa, CNT, Lexa, CNTA, Miss Lato Lato Girl. You can search. I have 40K followers there. You can search. I'm the Miss Lato Lato Girl. Never mind. No, no, I don't know. It's allowed here. If I tell the up, no. Yeah, it's real. Do you think if they speak, they can this? They no, right? If they speak, they can this fake? No. Everything, it's not fake. It's all natural, made from mom and dad. See? Oh, I'm low ba? My battery is shut down. How can you do? See, I'm not live, you guys. See? Again. Oh, did you see, guys? And oh, this not fake. If this fake, they can do this. No. By the way, this Lulu and Lily, they have this is the real name. Hi. Uy, why so many guys here? This real? Why? What happened? 4081? Hold my back here. I will dance. You can search me, guys. I'm no good in dance. But you don't believe. Like, I love dance, belly dance. Belly dance. Like that. It's your spatial skills, yes. Oh, I will charge my phone. Lexi Lord. No! I'm much better. Even Lexi Lord or Mia Khalifa, they can do. Yeah. Me only. It's rare. Like guys, um I I live here like shower challenge. Yeah. My nip nip is like this. If you guys have record, I think Jamrock, you so demanding. I will block you na lang. Yes. I don't like demanding man. Wait, I will charge my phone na. It's need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone because wait guys, I need to charge my phone. Enjoy. I will not accept you because why? You see so many viewers, that's why. I will show you what's my outfit for today's video. Wait. This is my outfit for the day. Like what happened? Wait, I charged my phone. Wait, it's 6%. Oh my God. What happened to my phone? Okay. This my that wait guys, I'll charge my phone. Guys, sending me gift. I'm tired. I need energy. I need energy. Wait, I charge my phone. I'm beautiful. Yes, I'm beautiful. Look my hair, it's long. Pa-up, join. Hindi ako nagpapa-up. Yes.